Imagine being a single point. You have no height, no width, and no depth. You are a coordinate in an endless void. Existing here means absolute paralysis because there is nowhere to move. You are infinitely small, yet you occupy the entire universe. It is a silent, cramped void without a single wall to push against. Align infinite zero-dimensional points side by side to create a line. Welcome to 1D. You have length, but you're trapped in an eternal single-file line. By stacking infinite lines, we generate a flat 2D plane. You are a polygon with length and width. However, biology in 2D is impossible. A digestive tract running from your mouth to your exit would physically divide you. Because there is no third dimension to hold the two sides together, your body would literally split in half and fall apart. Pure geometry is hostile to complexity. While each new dimension provides more room to move, it also creates new ways for a body to fail. To support life as we know it, we have to seek a higher spatial plane. Stacking infinite flat squares on top of each other, like sheets of paper, creates a cube. This is the third dimension. It is the world of height, the space where you actually keep your stuff. Despite living here, your perception is more limited than you think. Your retina is a flat surface that captures 2D projections. Your brain has to use shadows and lighting to guess where things are in space. We are also blind to time. We experience reality as a sequence of completely isolated, unchangeable present moments. If someone walks behind a wall, they effectively cease to exist in your field of view. You cannot see around objects or through the moment. In 3D, we have exhausted every physical direction, up and down, left and right, forward and back. To evolve further, the universe must expand into temporal directions. Just as a cube is a stack of squares, a 4D object is a stack of infinite 3D moments arranged along a new axis. A higher dimensional observer perceives a human as a long, continuous physical structure. Your life, from birth to death, exists simultaneously as a single frozen object. Navigating 4D space is like walking across a room. You can visit your birth as easily as you walk to your kitchen. You don't remember the past, you simply look at it, as World War II and the invention of the iPhone sit next to each other like furniture. However, because this 4D shape is a fixed, static object in higher space, your future is as physically set as your past. You aren't moving through moments and making choices. You are simply part of a permanent structure that has already been built. To find a different path, we need another dimension. By arranging infinite 4D timelines side by side, we create the 5D probability plane. This maps every possible outcome of every decision ever made, branching out into a sprawling network of parallel lives. Existing here would be paralyzing. Your identity would dissolve into a cloud of infinite variations. You would see the version of you that became a billionaire right next to the version of you that was eaten by a bear. We reach the sixth dimension by folding the 5D probability plane. This creates a shortcut between divergent outcomes. Instead of traveling all the way back to the moment of a decision to change your life, this fold allows you to step sideways. You can jump directly from a timeline of failure into a timeline of success, effectively bypassing time itself. This makes you the master of your own destiny, but only within the rules of your own universe. Even with infinite choices, you are still limited by the gravity and light of the Big Bang that created you. In the sixth dimension, we've accounted for every possible choice allowed by our laws of physics. To go further, we have to look past our own Big Bang. This means treating our entire universe, with all its timelines and probabilities, as a single starting point. The seventh dimension acts as a line connecting our universe to others with different initial conditions. In this zoo of realities, the speed of light might be 5 miles per hour, or gravity might push objects away. The 8D plane encompasses all these alien realities. It allows travel between universes where the basic code of physics is rewritten, turning a TV into a ham sandwich, or a star into a hollow shell. By folding the 8D plane, we enter the ninth dimension. This provides a shortcut to any reality the mind can conceive. You can jump instantly to a universe where people are shaped like triangles, or walk on the ceiling. The ninth dimension accounts for every permutation of space, time, and physical law. It is the sum of everything that can possibly exist, leaving only one mathematical threshold remaining. We reach the 10th dimension by condensing every infinite 9D reality and physics bubble into a single point. According to string theory, this is the end of the road. In the 10th dimension, you exist as the totality of everything. Because there is literally no space between you and everything else, you completely lose the ability to be an individual. You are everything and nothing at once. This creates a strange symmetry. In the 0th dimension, you are a point because there is no space to move into. In the 10th dimension, you are a point because there is no elsewhere left to go. Both states result in the same solitary, unmoving existence. Absolute scale is a meaningless trap. The severe limitations of our 3D reality, the fact that we cannot see everything or be everywhere, is exactly what allows us to have a distinct self. You might as well stay here. At least we have pizza.